to the channel. I hope you guys are having a wonderful weekend, and I just thought I should take a few minutes here to talk about Exela technologies and how they fared during last week. So looking at the 5-day graph, you guys can see how Exela on Tuesday had a minor decline, and then Wednesday it's jumped up. I think it went up about 33%, and then from Wednesday it slowly declined all the way down through Friday. However, Exela Technologies finished the week higher than it finished last Friday. So over the 5-day trading period, it actually went higher. So it's difficult to tell if the trend is upward, but I think that it's actually refreshing to see that coming from the 52-week low of 12 cents, we are now sitting at about 15 cents with Exela Technologies. That may not seem significant, but you have to remember that for the last 3 days before this weekend, Exela Technologies has been going downward. So it went as high as almost 22-23 cents on Wednesday before dropping now down to 15 cents. So looking at the top of your screens, you can see the S&P 500, the Dow 30, Nasdaq, Russell 2000. All of those went up by significant amounts by the closing bell on Friday. So it's maybe a bit premature to say that we might be seeing the beginnings of a recovery here, but that might be premature again. Like I say, many people say during a downturn you have the dead cat bounce that occurs a couple of times. Is that the uptick in Wall Street? Is that a dead cat bounce? I can't say for sure, but what I know is that Exela Technologies over the past 5 business sessions has actually appreciated in value, and at one point it went up by a significant amount, almost doubling in value. So it's very difficult to predict the future, but I think that there is a bright future with Exela Technologies because just the size of the company, the technology that it has, the mastery of the business processes that it has been doing over the years, it makes it a major player within the space that it occupies. And I think that if you put on one hand the value proposition of the company and the people, the great people working for the company, and on the other hand the stock market valuation of the company, you would see that the stock market valuation is way off. And I might be wrong, but the market at times is irrational. But I think as time goes on and more people hear about Exela and look into their prospectus and see what the company is doing, we will have a reversal, and that might happen in the blink of an eye, as we were reminded on Wednesday when the stock almost doubled in value. So this coming week, as you guys go about setting up your trades for the week, I think that Exela Technologies also deserves a second look, and it might be in totally in the buy territory right now. So thank you for your time, and please don't forget to smash that subscribe button. We will be back tomorrow when the market opens, and see what Wall Street looks like. Bye.